Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about the conversion of binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal numbers in Excel. First, decimal to binary conversion. Okay, so insert equal to decimal and you will see these suggestions here. So insert the decimal to binary function, that is converts a decimal number to binary. Okay, press tab to insert the function and then type the decimal number that you need to convert to binary number. Okay, let's say 25. Okay, and the second optional argument is places, that means how many digits you want for the binary number. Okay, this is a optional argument, so you can just disregard it, press enter and you see this binary number. Okay, now if you want, for example, let's say up to 10 digits, then you can just type 10 for the places argument and you get the 10 digit binary number. Okay, you can also take the uh, cell references for the arguments. For example, instead of typing 25, you can just uh, insert cell A2. Okay, A2 and you will get the same. Okay, if you remove the places argument here, for example, now if you go to the, sorry, uh, let's see what is happening at the bottom of this list. Okay, so here as soon as you cross number 511, the decimal number 511, then you get a number error. Okay, that's because you cannot use numbers higher than 511 and lower than negative 512. Okay, so for example, if you type here, let's say negative 25, so you get this number. Now if you type negative 513, then you get this number error. So you cannot use numbers greater than 511 or less than 512. Okay, so okay, this is this. And you can also learn more about this in the okay, let's see what does it say in Google Sheets. So the formula is decimal to binary 512 and it gives an error and it automatically pop-ups the description of the error. Function parameter 1 value is 512, valid values are between minus 512 and 511 inclusive. Okay, you can also learn more about in the Microsoft support website. Okay, and it's these remarks, or you can also check out the Google's support website for these limitations. Okay, let's say okay, this is only applicable for binary numbers, others will work just fine. Now okay, what about decimal to octal? Okay, that's the same, just type decimal and you will see the solution for decimal to octal. Okay, and okay, similarly we can convert the decimal numbers to hexadecimal numbers, decimal to hexadecimal. Okay, okay, okay. Now what about binary to octal? This is exactly the same, just you need to change the initial formula. Binary, as soon as you type bin, you will see all the suggestions there. Binary to octal. Okay, so this one. Okay, binary to octal b2. Okay, okay, this is it. Okay, now for binary to decimal, just the same, binary to decimal. Okay, this is binary decimal. So these results should be exactly the same as these decimal numbers. Okay, so this is correct. Binary to hexadecimal. Okay, the same. Binary to hexadecimal. Okay, so this is the conversion for binary numbers to other numbers. Now let's say from octal to other numbers, octal to binary. So OCT, and you'll see the suggestion, octal to binary. Okay, and octal number. Okay, now octal to decimal. So octal to decimal. This is the octal number. Okay, okay, these are the same. Okay, now octal to hexadecimal. Okay, octal to hexadecimal. So this is how you can convert octal numbers. Okay, now the last one, hexadecimal to other numbers. So equal to hex, and hexadecimal to binary is first. Okay, so press tab and then the hexadecimal number. Okay, drop down and you get the binary numbers from the hexadecimal numbers. For hexa to octa, uh, this one. Okay, and the input. Okay, and for hexadecimal to decimal, just the same, hexadecimal to decimal. Okay, this is hexadecimal. Just enter, just copy the formula below, and these values are the same as these values, so the formulas are correct. Okay, so this is how you can convert numbers from binary to octal, decimal, hexadecimal, and vice versa. Okay, so in total these are the 12 conversion functions. uh, you can use this to convert the numbers from one form to another. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.